Once again, son outfishes the old man. Hooked his first yellowtail all by himself. Oh boy, Hammer.
I'm back over here, little buddy.
Give the rod to Joel. There you go. There you go, buddy.
First yellowtail ever.
First yellowtail hooked all by himself. Put my rod down.
Get that line off.
You're doing great, Hammer. Give Joe your rod. There you go, buddy. Follow him down, bud. Andrew, don't hold the rod like that. Put your yeah. You gotta have your hand right there, dude. That fish will pull that rod right away from you. You got a Hammer. Come up here, Shane. You want to video it?
Seen color yet?
There it is, deep color, guys.
Deep color, Andrew. There's your yellowtail down there. I can't see it.
See it, little buddy?
Go ahead, Shane.
Hold on to the
Video
back,
it.
please, Josh. Ready? Hold on the back.
Atta boy, Hammer. Sorry, he's gonna run a little bit, Hammer.
Keep doing what you're doing, Bubba. That's good. Let him hold it. Nice, easy. Okay, slow down, slow down.
Slow down, Hammer. There's your fish. Atta boy, Hammer. Woo! You hooked him and got him yourself, dude.
Nice.
Come on, buddy.
Atta boy.
That's what it's all about, dude.
Hey, come here.
That's what it's about.
Get in there. There, Pop. Get in there.
Hold on a second.